third, Josh Richards. Josh, man, you dug the whole feature. Did you think you had anything for him when the caution came out with 3 to go?
I knew Scott was really good, and this place, you know, it has so much momentum. I knew it'd be tough to make something happen, but proud of our effort. Our guys worked really hard. I put us in a hole yesterday in the heat race, and I think by the end I just wore my stuff out. I've been spinning so much trying to get up through there, but we'll take it. You know, there's some guys had some misfortune, and it was bad for Brandon. Those guys, you know, to break, but you know, luckily we held on and had a great race car and were able to move forward. But we had a really long green flag run where we were starting to run Jonathan and Brandon down a little bit. It might have been a tenth or a half a tenth or 2/10. It just took so long by the time we got in position to run them down. But this place is one of my favorite racetracks. You can move around all over it, and you know, it just was what it was.
It was interesting watching you, and again, it was a factor of the track. You were picking them off a lot on the low side. Josh Richards not known for the low side. Did you have to fight your urge to want to go to the top?
A little bit. You know, I knew our car was good, and I tried to stay down low. Went through so many tear-offs early. You just kind of wanted to stay below and kind of salvage a little bit at the end. But no, the car was really great. We were able to, you know, get some guys in the bottom and kind of save the top for later, and that's what we tried to do.